Greetings, class. My name is Josh Hahn, and today I'm going to be teaching the skill of dribbling with a yellow basketball. And behind me are the students I'm going to be teaching. So let's get to it. All right? Can I see the ball?
No.
Please.
All right.
Okay. Yeah. So focus is on the ball. So in order to dribble, you want your feet about shoulder width apart, your knees and hips bent, and you just want to be relaxed, and you just want to let the ball drop and hit it with your palm when it comes up.
Palm or fingertips?
We're going to just drop the ball first?
Is it good to just have some rhythm?
Okay, so you want to hit it with this part of your palm.
Those are your fingertips.
Okay.
Right,
so the
teacher?
Fingertips.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. So here, like that.
I got it.
Is that it?
Yep. The ball's even called dribble up, so I want to have some rhythm, right?
Yeah.
All right, I got some rhythm. Hey, your turn.
Okay, I don't know how to dribble, so what should I do? Try it.
Fingertips.
Yeah. So you want your fingertips to push it down.
Push it down with my hand and just drop it.
With your fingertips on top of the ball.
Okay.
Not like that. Try it again. Let the ball bounce.
Ball down. That was better.
Have some rhythm, woman. There you go.
That's better. That's
One hand or both hands?
one more time.
Let's start out with one hand.
Oh, how do you,
That was good.
how would you do,
That was it.
how would you do two hands?
You alternate hands.
Yeah, so in order to do two hands, you want to hold the ball in your center line, and obviously the same feet hip position, and then you just want to go from right to left or left to right. So like this. Still with your fingertips, bouncing the ball, and have it spin.
I can do that, teacher.
Okay.
I got rhythm. Watch this. I got skills.
Whoa, I don't have skills. Whoa.
He's got skills too.
Okay, well, I'm trying.
Good job.
That's good.
So how can we...
Now what?
So in order, like a game or something, you guys can do to practice.
Uh-huh.
For this
Okay.
game, or for this skill, you can,
Dribble to each other.
yeah, just dribble it to each other.
Okay.
Halfway, right?
Uh-huh.
Bounce it halfway.
Here, wait, you show me how to do it.
Okay, so we're going to bounce it halfway. Fingertips, okay? Okay, don't
Bounce
catch
in
it.
the middle.
Just
Don't catch it.
don't catch it. Right down the middle. There you go.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Don't catch it. Oh. Oh, I keep catching it.
She doesn't listen very well, teacher.
Oh, okay.
Just push your fingertips. There you go.
Oh.
Nice. I win.
Okay. Good job, class.
All
You
right.
guys enjoy it?
Thank you.
All right.
Good job.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.